Police in Inyathi are investigating a case of murder which occurred at Carrison Farm, Fort Rickson on 13th of September at about 2000 hours, where a male adult was killed during a beer binge. The ZRP is looking for two suspects, Beulah Nyoni and Luxon Sibanda, in connection with the case. Meanwhile, police have arrested Jimson Nube in connection with a case of attempted murder which occurred at Ngoma Village, Gowanda on August 13, 2021. The suspect struck the victim once on the head with a machete. On 16 September, a Masvingo businessman lost $15,000 cash and other valuables valued at $2,000 after 7 unknown suspects armed with an identified pistol, machetes and axes, stormed his home at about 0300 hours. The ZRP confirms the arrest of a prominent prophet from International Arena of Miracles on September 17, 2021, in Chinhoyi, for a case of fraud. The suspect duped a couple of $1,200,000 after being given a bank card to transact $100,000 into US dollars, meant for the complainant's bedridden wife's, now late, treatment. Police in Plum Tree arrested 2 male adults, both aged 38, for smuggling on September 14, 2021. The duo applied for a temporal import permit for a Namibian-registered Toyota Hilux double cab GD6 2.4 vehicle valued at $37,047, which was issued to them. The offense was revealed after a SARPCO clearance certificate for permanent exportation of the vehicle into the country was recovered from the suspects. On September 15, 2021 at around 1600 hours, police in BYO arrested Ndlovu Tubalila, the core driver of Regional Transport Bus Company, and recovered an assortment of smuggled goods which include 1 Ford Ranger engine, 4 Samsung fridges, 4 Defy fridges, 20x4 kgs extra light body filler, 5x5 kgs extra light restoration filler, 2x12 kgs clear gloss paint, 1x12 bronze paint, 2x6 kgs clear paint, 4x5 kgs body filler, 13 muscle stretchers, 20 carpets, 40 rollers and various groceries. Police in Chiredzi arrested 6 suspects for stock theft cases which occurred in Chilonga area, Chikombedzi. Detectives received information to the effect that 3 suspects were driving ahead of 16 stolen cattle towards Triangle from Chilonga area. They acted on the information and set an ambush at Buffalo Range, leading to the arrest of the 3 suspects, who upon being interviewed implicated 3 other suspects. So far 27 cattle, valued at $8,100 have been recovered. Investigations are underway. Following the proliferation of illegal gold panning at Village 5 Lornekope, Kadoma, on 150921, police descended on the illegal mining site and recovered abandoned mining equipment which include 4 windlass, 30-kilowatt generator and jackhammer. The ZRP confirms the arrest of John Mavuka, 38, on September 15, 2021, for cultivating daga at Gwenamo Village, Chivi. Police recovered 31 twists, 2 kilograms prepared daga, 2,000 seedlings and over 1,000 mature plants in the suspect's garden.